Hi, Brittany. I'm going to take a look at yours. Oh, yeah. I forgot about your strong logo. A magnet. That's a good idea. Wait, magnets in a necklace. Hold on. All right, a magnet. Everybody loves magnets. What's nice about that, it can go on the work refrigerator. Craft necklace gift envelopes. So that's just the type. So why do you want the one with the hole? That is the question. Um, Appearance of a store-bought gift. Okay. Let me see if you say why. You do not say why in here. Do you say why in here? No, you don't. Okay, so I'm just unclear like why you want the one with the hole. And is that more expensive? So I'd like to hear your thoughts about this. Necklace envelopes. So, all right. Parents of store-bought gift. Even more delighted. Okay, so is that what's your plan? Just let me know. Are you going to put a ribbon on there, or are you going to get like jute and make it sort of more rustic looking? What are your thoughts?